Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of homepage on Suno app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about Suno app and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.